Have you ever sat down at the end of a long, exhausting day, looked at your bank account, and wondered why all your hard work isn't paying off? You are working 10, 12, or even 14 hours every single day, sacrificing your time, sleep, and energy. Yet, you still feel completely stuck in the exact same financial spot. Now look at the top 1% of the world. Billionaires like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Warren Buffett. Do you honestly believe they are working 100 times harder than you? Do you think they have 48 hours in a single day while you only have 24? Absolutely not. The truth is brutal, but simple. Hard work alone will never make you wealthy. If hard work was the ultimate secret to success, manual laborers and construction workers would be the richest people on earth. So, what is the real secret? What do these billionaires know that you were never taught in school, college, or by society? It all comes down to a fundamental shift in mindset, leverage, and execution. They don't just trade their precious time for money. Instead, they master smart decision-making, build scalable systems, and make their money work for them even while they sleep. In this video, we are going to break down the 3 most powerful mindset principles used by the world's wealthiest leaders. We will explore how Elon Musk solves impossible problems using first principles thinking, how Jeff Bezos makes life-changing choices with the regret minimization framework, and how Warren Buffett builds unstoppable wealth using the power of compounding. If you are truly tired of running on the financial hamster wheel and ready to upgrade your mind for real long-term success, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications, because this video will completely change how you view success forever. Let's start with the first brutal mindset shift, brought to us by none other than Elon Musk. It is a powerful mental framework known as first principles thinking. Most people in the world go through life reasoning by analogy. This simply means they copy what everyone else is doing with only slight variations. They look at a business, a career, or a financial goal and say, well, this is how it has always been done, so this is how I must do it too. But Elon Musk rejects this conventional way of thinking entirely. Instead of copying the crowd, he breaks every complex problem down to its most fundamental truths and builds a solution from scratch. When Elon Musk decided to found SpaceX, industry experts told him that buying a rocket was virtually impossible because a single one would cost upwards of $65 million. A normal person would have surrendered right there and accepted defeat. But Musk applied first principles thinking. He asked a deceptively simple question: what is a rocket actually made of? He looked at the raw materials: aerospace-grade aluminum, titanium, copper, and carbon fiber. Then he asked, how much do these raw materials actually cost on the open market? To his surprise, the raw materials were only about 2% of the total price of a finished rocket. Instead of buying overpriced rockets from traditional manufacturers, he bought the raw materials himself and built the rockets from the ground up, cutting the production cost by over 80%. This is the exact mindset you must adopt if you want to achieve extraordinary growth in your own life. Stop accepting rules created by people who aren't living the life you desire. Stop telling yourself that you don't have enough money, time, or resources. Strip away all the noise, look at the basic facts, and ask yourself, what is the actual core problem? And how can I solve it in a completely unique way? Mastering this single mental shift allows you to spot massive opportunities that everyone else completely misses. Moving on to our second crucial mindset shift, we look at the founder of Amazon, Jeff Bezos, and his famous decision-making tool called the regret minimization framework. Back in 1994, Jeff Bezos had a well-paying, comfortable, and prestigious job at a top Wall Street firm. He had financial security and a clear path to success. But when he noticed that internet usage was growing at an astounding rate of 2,300% a year, he had a bold idea to start an online bookstore. Leaving his high-salaried job to pursue an untested business idea seemed completely crazy to everyone around him, including his own boss. To make this terrifying decision, Bezos didn't use a standard pros and cons list. Instead, he projected his life forward to when he would be 80 years old. He asked himself a single profound question. When I am 80 years old and looking back at my life, will I regret leaving this comfortable job to try starting this internet company even if it fails? The answer was instantly clear. He knew that if he tried and failed, he would never regret it. But if he never tried at all, that inaction would haunt him for the rest of his life. That simple realization gave him the courage to step out of his comfort zone and build what became one of the most powerful companies in human history. Most people let the fear of failure paralyze them, choosing temporary comfort over long-term potential. But true growth requires you to fear regret more than you fear failure. Ask yourself today, when you look back on your life decades from now, will you regret taking the risk or will you regret staying comfortable? Finally, we arrive at our third mindset shift, brought to us by the legendary investor Warren Buffett, mastering the power of compounding and leverage. Most people are stuck in a dangerous financial trap. They trade their time for money. They work 40 hours a week to earn a fixed paycheck. But Warren Buffett famously warned us, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Billionaires don't just rely on their own personal labor. Instead, they build scalable systems, invest in income-producing assets, and leverage time and resources. They understand that while personal time is finite, compounding creates infinite possibilities. Compounding isn't just about money, it applies to your knowledge, your skills, and your daily habits. Improving yourself by just 1% every single day doesn't sound like much, but over a year, that tiny daily commitment makes you 37 times better than when you started. When you combine Elon Musk's first principles thinking, Jeff Bezos' regret minimization, and Warren Buffett's power of compounding, you unlock a powerful blueprint for true financial and personal freedom. Success is not an accident reserved for a lucky few. It is the natural result of changing how you think and how you act every single day. So, which of these 3 billionaire mindsets resonated with you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, because I read every single one. And if you are serious about upgrading your mindset and building a life of growth, hit that subscribe button right now and join the American Growth by ZK community. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.